Hi, I'm Andrew from Horsepower Inc. Today we're going to be installing one of our full-length M8 bagger pipes on this 2019 street glide. So let's get started. So we got some of our parts laid out and stuff. We've already installed our new race-style exhaust gaskets that will come with the exhaust into the head ports. Next, we're going to tape off some of the other engine covers so we don't scratch anything. So other than also taping off some of the engine covers so we don't scratch anything, the black ceramic exhaust that we offer, we don't want to scratch any of the ceramic coating. So we're also going to wrap some tape around the head portion of it. That way, when the flange rests on it, it's not going to scratch it all up. So now we're prepping the muffler section to install it onto the head pipes. The head pipes are just loosely installed onto the cylinder heads at the moment, using the stock flanges and circlips off the stock exhaust. Now, we want to lube the inside of the collector a little bit with some anti-seize, just to aid in installation and removal if necessary. So now we'll go ahead and get this fitted up and get it positioned where we want to. Now that we got our muffler section installed and positioned pretty close to where we want it, we're going to go ahead and get our muffler springs and our spring tool. Now your springs are installed. So from this point, what we're wanting to do is maneuver the head pipes and muffler into the position that we want to leave it at. And then we're going to start at the heads, evenly tighten down each manifold nut, and then work our way back. All right, so we got everything installed. Everything's now tight. The head bolt flanges are snug. The muffler body is snug to the bracket. We're going to go ahead and pull the tape off of everything. We're also going to wipe the pipe down, make sure we don't burn our fingerprints or get any oil off of it that we had on it. And then we're going to go ahead and mount our footboard back up, slam our wide bands in it, and hit the dyno.